Hi guys, really sorry, probably not what you were expecting, so it's a different location. I'm redoing my intro because it went wrong and I don't feel comfortable using it. So basically what I said was that in this video you'll be learning about my makeup routine. So I'll be showing you what makeup products I use, which you can also find out in my previous video. I was basically saying that when I wear makeup I feel better about myself, it gives me more confidence, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. I use this primer first, and I don't use lots, but I use a green one so it helps balance out the red tones on my face. So I just dab it on over any places where I get like red patches, like my cheeks. Put it over any spots I've got. Like, to be fair, my skin's pretty smooth, it doesn't tend to get spots. I've never, well, touch wood, I've never had any problems with spots, so I'm really lucky in that way. So that's all done, doesn't take long, just a step that I feel comfortable with using. Next I use my foundation, so number 7, Really Good Brown, and I like this one because I do the skin colour test. I'm not sure of the proper name, but at least then I know I'm wearing the right colour, right product for my face. So I use this makeup sponge. It is clean, obviously foundation stains it, so I put about 2 pumps of this, and do like the same applying technique as I did with my green primer. So just dab it on. Just go back over. And then I will use my mascara. So this is also Boots number 7. I love their products. With the foundation, I sometimes get a baby wipe or something, just wipe around the edge of my face, just because I don't like having makeup lines, don't like having the lines where people can tell how much makeup I've put on. I just have natural looking makeup, as that's what I like, what I feel confident wearing, and how I like others to see me. Like, I like natural makeup. So I just put a little bit of this on. This is black. That's good. I don't wear lots, just some. And then next up I use my Instasculpt, so my contour. So I always use this brush. Again, it is clean. I always make sure I clean them. In my previous video you saw what I use to clean them. So I use a dark one, but mix it with a light one, just so it's not so dark and it's a bit more natural for me to wear. And then, as I said in my previous video, if you guys have watched it, I always just go over the top and the bottom bit with a lighter bit. Just go over it, make it more natural. And then now I use my eyebrow cleanser, tint powder. I don't know. So and also I've got a new brush just because I liked it. So this is Studio London, and it's a slanted one. Don't know if you guys can see. So that's a really nice one. So to be honest, I don't use much dark, and again, it's like with a contour, I mix it with a lighter one just to make it more natural. So I just go over it. And I don't use lots, just a little bit to add a bit of colour, thickness to it. And that is it. That's all I'm going to be wearing today. And then I always finish it off with a Sports Fix setting spray. Just then I know it holds in place, especially today. It's not the best of weather, so, and I'm going out later, so don't want it to go everywhere. And it's really refreshing spray. It doesn't make your makeup go everywhere, it doesn't smudge it. It gives it a nice matte finish, which I love. So that's it for today, guys. So now you know my makeup routine. So some of you might be like, oh, I do it differently, or you're not supposed to put it on that way, but it's how I put my makeup on. It's how I feel comfortable doing it. And hopefully I've showed you guys how else you could wear your makeup, and maybe you could follow some of the techniques I use, some of the ways I use to apply my makeup. So have a good day, guys. Bye.